Honor just shocked the tech world, not only by launching the Magic 8 and Magic 8 Pro, but by teasing something straight out of science fiction. It's called the Honor Robot Phone, and trust me, this isn't just another smartphone. It's something completely different, something that moves, reacts, and even behaves like a living being. And yes, I'll tell you the rumored price at the end of this video, because when you hear it, your jaw might actually drop. So here's what happened. At the end of Honor's Magic 8 launch event, when everyone thought the presentation was over, the lights dimmed and a teaser video appeared, and that's when the robot phone was revealed. The full unveiling is set for MWC 2025 in Barcelona, early March next year. But this first look already has fans asking one question: is this a phone or the birth of something entirely new? In the teaser, we see a phone with a gimbal-mounted camera directly built into its body. Imagine the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but fused inside a smartphone. The camera doesn't just spin, it moves like a robotic head, tracking motion with lifelike fluidity. It even performs little gestures, turning, nodding, and at one point doing a tiny giggle animation that makes it look alive. Honor says this phone uses AI-driven interaction and tracking, capable of following subjects, framing shots automatically, and reacting to emotions. It's designed to act as what Honor calls an emotional companion, a device that senses, adapts, and evolves autonomously. In other words, it's not just a phone that takes photos, it's a phone that understands you. Design-wise, it's thicker than most flagships, because of that intricate split camera module hiding a robotic arm. When the camera activates, it unfolds from the back like a mini droid emerging from the phone. It can flip forward for selfies, tilt for cinematic pans, and reposition itself automatically. It's like the Asus Zenfone 6's flip camera had a baby with a DJI gimbal, and the result learned emotions. Right now though, it's all CGI. No real hardware has been shown, and Honor hasn't confirmed whether MWC 2025 will feature a working prototype or just another concept. Still, the company has opened early registration on its website, where fans can sign up to receive behind-the-scenes updates, join user feedback sessions, and maybe even be among the first to test this robotic marvel. But remember that price I promised? Well, brace yourself. Early rumors suggest the Honor robot phone could land somewhere between $1,600 and $1,900 in the US market. That's beyond even the most expensive foldables today. Insane? Maybe, but if this thing truly becomes a phone that feels alive, one that tracks, reacts, and even emotes, then Honor might just be about to sell the world's first smartphone with a soul. When Honor brings a camera that looks straight out of the Pocket 3, it's the perfect time to talk about what's coming next. The DJI Pocket 4, arriving as soon as next.
Igor Bogdanov dropped a mysterious post on X, hinting that something big was stirring behind DJI's closed doors. "Everything is quiet for now, but there is something coming," he wrote. And just like that, the calm turned into chaos. Moments later, Mauro Tandoi added fuel to the fire with what looked like a leaked test application for the long-awaited DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Suddenly, it wasn't just rumor, it was real. Then came the twist. At Quadro News dropped a leaked Chinese NDA titled DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Safety Guidelines. Hidden inside? Proof of a full redesign. Not a small upgrade, but a smarter, lighter revolution that could redefine pocket filmmaking forever. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 stands out with its refined design and impressive portability. Weighing approximately 116 grams without accessories, it's noticeably lighter than the Pocket 3, which came in at 179 grams. The new model measures 145 by 38.3 by 30 millimeters, making it taller, slimmer, and thinner overall. A clear step toward a more compact and travel-friendly profile. Its sleeker construction and ergonomic refinement make it especially appealing for vloggers and creators who value comfort and ease of use during long shoots or on-the-go filming sessions. The document also contains strict battery and safety guidelines, suggesting DJI is entering final testing phases before certification. From warnings about overheating and disassembly to firmware update notes, it reads like a manual ready for production. That alone signals how close the product might be to launch, potentially late 2025 or early 2026. But what's fascinating is what the document doesn't say. There's no mention of the camera specs, the true heart of the Pocket line. That silence is deafening. No word about a dual camera system, no 50-megapixel sensor, no 4K 240 frames per second capability, and no mention of the rumored ActiveTrack 7.0. These were all previously linked to an August 2025 prototype leak featuring asymmetrical lenses. So, has DJI gone minimalist, or are they hiding something bigger behind the NDA curtain? Pocket 4 versus Pocket 3, the physical evolution. When comparing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to the leaked Pocket 4, the first thing that jumps out is the drastic reduction in weight. The Pocket 4 drops nearly 35%, down from 179 grams to 116 grams, a huge leap for handheld creators who film for long stretches. Its dimensions are refined too, standing slightly taller at 145 millimeters, but slimmer and narrower overall, giving it a more balanced, ergonomic feel. The Pocket 3 was known for its rotatable screen and 1-inch sensor gimbal head, features that gave it power but also bulk. The new, streamlined Pocket 4 frame suggests DJI has re-engineered the device to optimize stability, comfort, and portability, perhaps shifting some components internally or using a lighter gimbal architecture. If this is true, DJI might finally have struck the perfect balance between pro-level capability and true pocket-sized design. What it all means. The appearance of a finalized safety and battery document is no small event. It indicates that DJI has moved past the conceptual phase into hardware testing, a stage that usually happens just months before launch. The reduced weight might represent a base model, with a heavier Pro variant, the one rumored to feature dual lenses and 8K video, coming later. Meanwhile, DJI is reportedly clearing out Pocket 3 inventory, hinting at preparation for the Pocket 4's arrival. Pricing is expected to land between $699 and $799, depending on region and configuration. Battery life could extend to around 180 minutes, with improvements to low-light performance and integrated audio systems. A clear message to rivals like Insta360, GoPro, and Vivo that DJI isn't stepping back from the compact camera race. So, while DJI remains silent, the leaks are speaking loudly. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just an upgrade. It's a signal that DJI's next leap in handheld innovation is already on the runway. Something small, sleek, and surprisingly powerful is coming. And this time, it might just redefine what pocket camera really means.